So nandito tayo ngayon sa Christmas light effect sa munisipyo ng San Jose, na every year ay may mga ganitong klase ng pailaw sila. Unfortunately, wala yung bazaar or yung night bazaar dito na maraming food, street foods, etc. kasi it's pandemic. Ayan, yung pala, sorry. Okay. So we're gonna explore here at San Jose Munisipyo dahil ito ang pinaka best part nila when it's Christmas time. Again, unfortunately, wala yung mga Christmas bazaar food, street foods unlike last year or for the last 2 years. But still, there is still yung pailaw nila. So we're gonna explore that. So I hope you guys like. So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa munisipyo ng San Jose kung saan ang pailaw. So every year meron talaga silang pailaw. And unfortunately, unlike the last 2 years na nakapunta ako dito sa San Jose City, Nueva Ecija, is marami talagang tao because of the light effects and pailaw nila. And of course, dun sa side na yon, if you can see that, is meron yan dating mga street foods and mga Christmas bazaar or night market. But unfortunately, because of the health protocols, obviously the LGU of San Jose City is following the IATF protocols. Wala yung mga normal for the last 2 years na Christmas bazaar or night market. So medyo nakakalungkot, but still, of course, yung pinupuntahan din naman tao dito is yung pailaw na sa Jose. So I'm gonna be sharing it to you guys para makita nyo yung pailaw nila. Medyo dumilin. So there you go. Nakapunta na kayo sa Singapore doon sa Garden by the Bay. Maaalala niyo yung super trees at meron yan dito sa San Jose City. So let me show you the super tree of San Jose City. vlog about world-class dancing fountains sa Niwaka Bonifacio sa Manila. Here dito sa San Jose City, meron din for their Christmas 2020. So I'm gonna show you guys yung kanilang dancing fountain. complete kung walang puto bumbong at saka bibingka. So right beside the church of San Jose is nandito yung mga puto bumbong, bibingka, and of course shawarma. So I'm gonna try it out, but of course tradition na yan na pagka nag-Christmas bazaar dito, night market, is kumakain kami ng puto bumbong.